everyone, I'm Nilanjana and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a tutorial for a fresh everyday makeup look. First, I would moisturize my face with my favorite lightweight moisturizer to give it a dewy look, and for that I'm massaging my face for some time. Be very gentle as you massage all over your face and your neck area. For the base, I would be using a primer. I'm using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, which makes the skin softer and smoother so that the foundation goes on more easily. Here I am using my favorite LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation in the shade 644 Natural and blending it out evenly with the help of a Real Technique brush. And not to forget the neck area as well. Next, I'm going to use a loose powder from Maybelline in the shade 15 Light. To fill in my eyebrows, I have used Arch Rival Brow Definer in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. Next, I have used a concealer from LA Girl and my shade is medium beige. Here, instead of a brush, I have used my ring finger to blend in the concealer. Once my concealer is done, I am locking my foundation and the concealer with the help of the finishing powder. For my eyes, I have used a soft nude peachy color from the palette Hilary Rhoda, which would make my eyes look fresh and bright. Next, I have used the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal, which enhances my eye look. For the cheeks, I am using a powder blush by Chanel in Rose Initial 72. It is a soft pink color and it adds a very brightening pink flush of color to the cheeks, which is great if you're looking tired because pink always brightens the face up. Next, for my lips, I'm using my all-time favorite shade from Faces Canada. It's the Ultime Pro in the shade Cashmere 23. It is a matte lip crayon. The highlighter that I've used is from Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. Look at that, it is so gorgeous. I'm literally shining like a disco ball. And lastly, to enhance my eyes a bit more, I have applied a golden shimmer on the inner corners of my eye, which would make it look brighter and bigger. So guys, this is the look that I have created in this tutorial, and I hope you all have enjoyed my everyday makeup look. If you all have enjoyed watching my video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which would mean a lot. And do not forget to hit the notification bell. With that, it's a wrap. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Bye bye.